My first bait of the day of our second day out here on the 21-day challenge. I put on a live mullet, threw it out. Second cast, got a big bluefish. We're here at the North Jetty on Sebastian Inlet.
Oh no, she don't want me before.
Good morning, everyone. Day number 2. We went and caught a bluefish and watched the sunrise, letting the cat explore the island. Cooking some breakfast. Brewing some coffee. Joe hung this up last night and put these little outdoor solar lights on it. It's pretty cool.
Alright everybody, probably can't see me, but we out here.
She sees all the other people that are visiting the island. She heard all the rats last night. The rats eating up all the butter. They carried it over here. I'm about to clean it up. He's exploring. Turn that coffee off. Hello everybody. We're cooking some potatoes. Got some bananas, some rice. ¿Cómo qué?
Bueno, estamos aquí por unos días y de verdad que es una locura. Anoche dormí súper divino, hubo lluvia, eso relajante y así con el agua del mar. De verdad perfecto, me gusta mucho. Ahorita estoy cocinando para ellos un poco de comida. También tengo hambre, ellos tenían hambre, todos tenemos hambre.
Todo.
Y Voy a cocinar un poco de papas con carne así, con su cebolla. Y voy a hacer un poco de arroz.
Oi! Alright, we're at night number 2. Using some live mullet here on the island. Hooked up to something. Oh, big old sail cat.
Man, he might be edible. Huh?
I don't need him, but
Yeah, I'll eat him. Dude, he's a monster. Out of here, I think he's good. No? Hmm? Dude, that's a monster sail cat. Huh? Why wouldn't you eat him? He's a Sebastian. That's the best catfish you can have. You fry him up, he's gonna be good. I'm telling you, big meat. All he eats is fish. Look what he just chomped down, a big mullet. Monster mullet, no problem. Then he's like, dude, I'm telling you. No, I ain't mean to.